Welcome to Rapid Maths Trick. For understanding base method of multiplication. When the base is not a power of 10. Please learn base method of multiplication. In the previous video. If already seen, please continue. Now, we are going to learn how to multiply numbers when the base is not a power of 10. Let's start. Multiply 48 by 48. Here, the actual base is 100. Step 1. Both the numbers are close to 50. So, our working base is 50. And all calculation are done with respect to 50. Step 2. Subtract 48 from the base number, which is 50. Next, the difference between 48 and 50 is minus 2. Next, we multiply minus 2 with minus 2. We get plus 4 as the answer. Next, the actual base has 2 zeros. Hence the right hand side of the answer is filled by 2-digit number, which is 04. Step 3. Now we subtract 2 from 48. We get the answer, which is 46. Now, the working base is obtained by dividing 100 by 2. Then, we divide left hand side digit, which is 46, by 2 and get 23 as the answer on left hand side. So, the final answer is 2304. Let's take one more example. Multiply 27 by 28. Let's start. Here, the actual base is 100. Step 1. Both the numbers are close to 20. So, our working base is 20. And all the calculation are done with respect to 20. Step 2. Subtract 27 and 28 from the base number, which is 20. Next, the difference between 27 and 20 is plus 7, and the difference between 28 and 20 is plus 8. Now, we multiply 7 with 8. We get 56 as the answer. Step 3. Now we add 7 with 28, or we add 8 with 27. We get the same answer, which is 35. Now, the working base is obtained by dividing 100 by 5. Then, we divide left hand side digit, which is 35, by 5 and get 7 as the answer on left hand side. So, the final answer is 756. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Rapid Maths Tricks for more knowledgeable videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest update. In this video, we completed the base method of multiplication when the base is not a power of 10. In next video, we are going to cover base method for squaring.